Welcome friends to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources. In this video, we will see how to submit the quiz and assignment through the Google form. Quiz and assignments on lessons are to be submitted online through Google form. The link of the Google form will be shared through email and WhatsApp every day. What you have to do? Open the Google form, answer the quiz questions and attach the files for the assignments and submit the Google form. Let us see how you have to do it. Normally, the quiz will be based on the lessons. For example, the first quiz is based on the first three lessons: managing files and folders, MS Word, and the presentation. I told you that the link will be shared through WhatsApp or your Gmail. In your Gmail account, you will get a email like this: online course batch 1 quiz assignment 1. And if it is the link in your WhatsApp, you have to simply click it. I am opening it. Google form opens. I am invited batch 1 quiz assignment 1. The second one will be batch 1 quiz assignment 2 and so on. Click the fill out form. The form will open. It asks your name, your designation, your KV and your roll number in the list. Be careful. This is the roll number which I will also attach in your Gmail. Please note down your roll number here. Roll number 1 to 47. We are having roll numbers. It is very important. Please note down your roll number. Okay. Let us come back. Now after that, you have to answer these questions. There may be 10 questions or there may be 5 questions. Below that, you will be asked to upload some files, and the which file to be uploaded is mentioned over here. And for the first quiz, you have to attach one Word file, you have to attach one PDF file, you have to attach the PowerPoint presentation. Always remember, whenever you are attaching any file, remember that file should be very small. Suppose if it is a PPT, it should not contain more than 5 slides. If it is a video, it should not be more than for 2 minutes and so on. The instruction will be given there, then and there. Okay, how to upload it? You simply click it. It will ask you which to be uploaded. Already in the first lesson, that is managing files and folders, I have explained how to keep the folder in a place and how to save the files there. Now simply upload, then select files from your device. It will ask you from where you have to do it. For example, I am having it in this personal class 10 mathematics. I have to now attach the Word document. The Word document, the name should be your roll number followed by your name. Remember, the Word file should be saved as your roll number followed by your name. Roll number followed by your name. Click it and then open. And then you can simply upload. Now you are seeing that it is uploaded over here. Then go to the PDF file now. Again add file, the same procedure. Select files from the device. You search it. I am having it in that personal and then class 10 standard folder. Now this is, I have made the PDF as 50 M Srinivasan. Click it and then open. And then upload. You see it is getting uploaded now. Again, PowerPoint presentation. Add file, select files from your device. Now I am having it over here, PowerPoint presentation 50 M Srinivasan. I have changed the name. Then I am clicking it and then upload it. You see, you are seeing that all the 3 files are attached now. Therefore, once again I repeat, open the Google form. Give your name, designation, KV name, your roll number as per the list. Then answer these questions by selecting the correct answer. Upload the file which is required. For example, Word file here, PDF file here and PowerPoint presentation here, and click the submit. Very simple. After you have submitted, you will get a message that you have submitted successfully. Then after that you can view the score of the quiz also, because the quiz is made up of 10 points. It is being 10 points, therefore you will get out of 10 how much you have got it. Remember, answering the quiz and submission of assignment is compulsory on every day. The link will be given every day morning. You have to submit it by the next day. You have to submit it by the next day. For answering the quiz, please go through. You can go through the videos carefully. The questions will be from the videos only. Thank you friends. Happy learning.